Okay, here's a good look at the 1972 454 numbers matching coupe. Bought this car a few years ago. Actually, it's been about 2.5, maybe 3. And overall, it's in pretty good condition when you consider original fiberglass. Has been modified in the front. Looks terrible, terrible job. The quarter panels and doors are really solid. It's a numbers matching car once again. It's automatic power steering, power brakes, AC. Car is loaded. It does have a tilt column, deluxe leather interior, factory luggage rack. The car itself is ugly. I like to think of it as the mudfish. Front end work, that custom work that was done, is horrific. Original door panels wore out. Complete interior, seats were redone. Miscellaneous parts inside belong to the car. All the gauges work. Once again, it is a numbers matching big block car. That's the engine. A couple things have been changed, like the radiator. Overall maintenance, just whatever it took to keep it running. Never been crashed from what I can tell. Original big block hood. 72 cars are interesting because the engine is documented in the VIN number. Unlike 71 and older cars, they rely on documentation like a tank sticker and owner history and things like that. 72 and newer cars are undisputable. They are what they are. Although this car's had some custom work done to it, it's definitely worthy of a driver quality restoration, and that's what I'm going to give it. I'm going to paint it, do a little interior work, get the body back to its stock appearance, put the front chrome bumper back on it, and that's pretty much the plan for the day. So it's not going to happen in a day, but it's definitely the plan that I'm going to try to implement. Get rid of the front spoiler and just give it that stock look that I believe it deserves. Difficult to find these cars in unrestored numbers matching condition. Take a look at the video and it sort of explains itself as far as what needs to be done. Once again, my plans are just to make it a daily driver. I think I might give it to one of my kids. I'd like to give all my kids a Corvette, a chrome bumper car. We'll see if that happens. Can't buy them nice, got to buy them in this kind of condition to afford it. So just wanted to document what it looks like before we get started. All right.